It's Wednesday and it's market day in Ahihi. When I was at the market, I got so inspired by these beautiful mushrooms. And today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Seeing these delicious mushrooms, we can make 3 separate dishes. And here is our finished mushroom base, and from here we're going to create 3 amazing dishes. A delicious mushroom bruschetta, and so very easy to make. Our second dish, ready to be tasted. It looks and smells wonderful. And here we have it. Mushroom pasta and mushroom stuffed pork cutlets. Absolutely delicious. Please try this dish and let me know how you like it. Come cook with me. I'm Stella V.